Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro yen monthly time frame, I do think this is very likely a wave 4, and I think eventually once it makes 3 waves down, it's probably going to go up again for a wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern that we see so very clearly on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this move down is an A. I think that we're already in the wave B. Maybe it needs to go up a little bit more to complete this wave B, but I think at some point it will go down and make that bigger wave C of wave 4. Keep in mind this is a weekly time frame pattern, meaning that it's going to take months for this to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where you can see the wave A. I think this is up wave A, 3 waves down wave B, 1, 2, maybe we're still in a wave 3 and this is a wave 4, then up again for a wave 5 of wave C. Either way, the trend is definitely not over yet, at least until we get a break and of structure to the downside. So odds are that we probably will get another push up, maybe up to the 61.8, maybe something like that, before we actually do get the push down and the real break of structure we've been waiting for. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, the euro yen has been extremely sideways for quite some time now. It kind of looks like it's actually going to try to make another attempt up. Like I said, maybe even go up to the 61.8, right around the 167.4 area. Like I said, the trend is definitely still up, and I definitely would still be leaning towards longs. The problem is it's been so sideways that I usually don't really mess with things like this until we have a breakout. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up on the 1 hour time frame because this sideways price action could just be a crutch into this last impulsive move up. So, like I said, the trend is definitely still up. I personally would still be leaning towards longs. It kind of looks like it tried to make an impulsive move up, maybe even a wave 1, possibly wave 2. Maybe it will go up and make a 3, 4, 5. I'm kind of hoping that today's FOMC interest rate for the US dollar actually causes it to go down and break structure, because that would be an amazing swing trade to the downside if that is what happens. Now, I will be live streaming for today's FOMC interest rate news for the US. I will be live streaming at 6:45 GMT +1 UK time. So definitely make sure you stop in if you want to see my latest opinion on all your favorite pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.